Hey, good morning, guys. Robert Barry here, excited to come to you today with another video, guys. In this video, I am truly excited. I am so excited. I can't wait to tell you guys what has me excited. But you probably already know if you're looking at the screen. Of course, I was able to make $100 straight into my PayPal, and I got instant access to these funds. Listen to me. When you think about what is happening around the world and everybody being confined to their homes, I am able to make $100, unlimited $100 straight to my PayPal account, which I have instant access to. But I'm going to get into that in a second. And so, like I said, guys, my name is Robert Barry. I am a full-time bartender, part-time network marketer, okay? And I live in the Bahamas. Now, I want to go over to Google real quick, show you guys the time in the Bahamas, yada. So you guys know I am recording from the Bahamas during the time that I said I am recording. Okay, so let's refresh this. So, guys, at the time of recording this video, it is 9:54 a.m., Friday the 3rd of April 2020, right? And so, guys, like I said, I am a part-time marketer, and while at home, I was able to make $100 straight to my PayPal. Now, I want to share with you guys a little story. Can you imagine for families around the world or persons around the globe that are less fortunate than I am, if they were able to make unlimited $100 straight to their PayPal, straight to their Cash App, straight to their Zelly, they are able to take that $100 in a time of this pandemic, go to the grocery store and actually put a meal or buy groceries to feed their families, or they're able to pay a bill. I'm telling you guys, if you are on the fence of joining a network marketing business, if you want to partner with me, I will leave my link at the very bottom of the video. I think I may leave my Facebook and my WhatsApp, but Facebook is normally the quickest way to reach me. Guys, now is the time to get in an online marketing space. The way the world is moving, if you do not have multiple streams of income, and speaking about multiple streams of income, if you have a 9 to 5, like I do have a side part-time gig, like I said, which is the opportunity that I'm a part of, which you would find more information in the link that I'm going to leave at the very bottom. It is so important. It is so important, guys. I can't begin to tell you how far that $100 went in purchasing grocery to feed my family and I. And I want to give you guys or put you guys in the very position that I am in, or that I found myself in. I'm now able to make unlimited $100. And I want to share with you guys how you can go about doing this, the very same thing. Okay. And before the end of the video, I'm going to show you other team members or other persons that would have joined within the last few days, and persons that would have joined this company before me, the amount of success that they are having. Okay. And also you are able to have this exact same success or even better. Okay. And just a little income disclaimer. This company doesn't guarantee that you will make money. However, the amount of money will be determined on the amount of effort that you put into your business. Okay. And so, guys, like I said, now is the time to get into a network marketing business, because of the way the world is going in terms of technology. As you guys can see what's going on in all of this pandemic, thousands of persons are just laying at home with nothing to do. And truth of the matter is, they can really be making some serious money with all of the time that they have on their hands. And so you guys can see I'm using my time wisely, tapping into the training, networking with persons, putting my business out there. And one thing that I can say, that my team is actually putting in the strategies that we teach, and they are now seeing the results. And so, guys, I just want to give you some of the benefits that really drew me into joining this particular business. First off, the very first thing that caught my eye with this company is that there are no monthly fees. Okay, yes, I said it. There are no monthly fees. And so in a traditional online business, you would have to wait maybe 7 days or maybe 30 days, and at the end of that time period, your credit card or your debit card is charged to hold or to maintain your monthly or weekly subscription. And so with this business, you don't have the added pressure of worrying or being concerned with funds being taken off of your credit card to maintain your subscription. And so that energy or that extra energy, I would take that and I put that into my marketing efforts. I put that into networking with people. I put that into doing videos such as what I'm doing now to provide value and content for you guys. Okay, and that really adds up at the end of the day. The second thing that really caught my attention with this company is the minute you get a referral, you as the upline, you get instant access to your funds. So just like how you guys would see on my screen, I'm able to make those unlimited $100 payments. I can go straight directly to the bank and withdraw monies that are sent to me. Okay, so instant cash, they pay out. A third point is they pay out daily. There is no time frame to be paid. You get instant daily payouts. A fourth point is that our community is one that is very helpful. All of the leaders believe in leaving no man behind. All of the persons that are coming in, they adopt the same family help mentality, and that is what I love. And lastly, what I love about it is our team strategy makes it so much easy. It takes all of the thinking and the hard work out of it. And so when you partner with me and my team, we have, like I said, we have a 14-day blueprint that you would do in your marketing or in your business daily, and you would be able to see and get the desired results. We have a very unique technique that we implement within our marketing strategy that is getting everyone lot of opt-ins, and they are actually getting referrals. Okay, so right now I want to take you into our Facebook group, and you guys are going to see exactly what it is that I'm talking about the leaders being so helpful. All right, so let's go. $25. Oh, and the name of the company is $25 One Up, ladies and gentlemen. This company has now crossed over $1 million in paid commissions. It's taking a bit to load. Let's refresh it. All right, so guys, while that's taking a little time to load, I want to reiterate how you guys would be able to. Okay, here it is. All right, so okay, so as you can see, guys, this member has made over $20,000 with this opportunity. So you guys, he has huge success. Big shout out to that member. Here's me being a little, dropping a little encouragement quote. Let's go here to photos. So if you guys can see, this member had a $25 day, $125 day, another $25 day. So you're talking about what? 175 bucks. This member here had an all-time payment of 1,000 bucks. This member had a $125 day, yeah, all-time with 3,200 bucks. All right, so I'm going to take you guys over to back to my Facebook page really quick. My internet is moving sort of slow today. And so guys, just to give you a little more insight, if you're interested in partnering with me and my team and you want to see real tangible results, like I said, my links will be at the very bottom of this video. So you guys can message me, get at me anytime. This is very easy. If you can paste and copy, if you can follow a simple routine, you're able to make quite a bit of cash flow with this business. All right, so this is something that I post within the last few hours. So you guys can see I just took a quick snapshot of my PayPal. I was able to make $125 here and another $125 here. Simple paste and copy ads. That's one. This is another kind of ad that we post, sorry. Right? So I want to give you guys a quick peek of my team's personal, well, our paid members Facebook group. I'm going to go step outside of the lines here. And our team is Team Cash Blueprint. So guys, as you can see, we have a lot of units that you guys can tap in for the training. Okay, here's an income proof for members posting. Here's another unit, another unit. This is our team meeting that we had. Let me show you guys just one more. Okay, so you see here, this member would have just joined and she is showing opt-ins to her capture page. You're talking about 1, 2, 3, and she's saying filling the pipeline. Okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, if you're looking for something quick to make some cash, I'm sorry, this is not the business. What we do is we teach branding first, and then we teach you ways to market your business. So we're not like those people that are running around and showing those big commission checks and they're not giving you the full scope of what it is that they do inside of their business. And that's not the right way to go about doing business. And so guys, I want to bring this video to an end. I highly encourage you to click the subscribe button. Also click on the bell so you guys get notifications. So whenever I do post new videos, fresh content, you guys will get the notification. Like I say, if you want to create your own economy, the very first step that you need to do is send me a message. Let's have a conversation to see if this business is in fact a fit for you. Unfortunately, this is not for anybody, and we're not interested in working with tire kickers. We want persons that are passionate, that are self-motivated, and that are willing to put in the work. Once again, my name is Robert Barry. You guys have an awesome day, and please look out for another video from me shortly.